Hello guys and welcome to the new tutorial on SketchUp Work Studio. In this tutorial I'm going to show how we can work with MyArchitectAI.com for creating interior renders. First of all, I have this model in SketchUp, very simple and easy. It's the kitchen modeling related to the interior design, and this is my final export like that, very simple and easy. Alright, I'm going to click on the Google Chrome and type myarchitectai.com and input my image in here, kitchen modeling, and press open. So we have two types of scenes. I'm going to type scene number 1, interior, and the rendering engine can be accurate, style transfer, or enhance. I'm going to click on the accurate in here, and my rendering quality can be detail or can be standard. Right now, my credit allow me to have the standard in here. The prompting mode is the advanced mode or quick mode. If you click on the quick mode, you can select the space type, room type, or I don't know, some other type of things like the view, lighting, and style. But in here, I'm going to click on the advanced mode in here and start typing. First of all, I'm going to type modern kitchen design, comma, high glass MDF surfaces, comma, and I'm going to press space, high glass white, comma, high glass gray, comma, and right now I'm going to describe the lighting. For example, I'm going to type lighting is warm, comma, but in here I'm going to add lighting, maybe color is warm. And the environment should be enhanced, something like that. So when you type your, I don't know, the description for the scene, in here you can add negative prompts. It's the check line, use default negative prompt in here. For example, it have some type of things for that, which is help for you to avoid some type of misunderstandings for the AI. So I'm going to click on it. It's the recommended mode, and I'm going to click on the generate. It takes a little bit time, and after that you can see the final result for your render. Try to set your camera very clear, because AI should be understand all the angles much clearer than yours. So we should wait a little bit to see what will happen. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the result that we have in here, which you can find it out. I think the result can be much better, but in here we have this type of quality. It depends on multiple reasons. For example, your SketchUp file quality, or some other type of things like the details which you have in your SketchUp. So in this R model, we only have the kitchen model. We don't have any objects, we don't have any detail, and this AI only understands the surfaces. So you need to add details if you want more things. You can click on the enhance in here, and your image will be enhanced for you much better with the high quality and high result. So totally you can use this AI if you want to save your time and energy, or if you want to only show the fast alternative to your clients. It can be work acceptable, but when you work with the AIs these days, you need to clarify everything for them. So when I click on the enhance, absolutely the quality is much better. And this is the final result that we have in here. You can download the image and you can use it in the Photoshop or make in post-production. It completely depends on you. But the main point about MyArchitectAI is that it can detect surfaces very well. As you can see, the surfaces are accurate, and you don't see any type of bad shape or added shape or something like that. And everything is equal with your 3D model. So if you click on the style transfer in here and you click on the reference image, something like that, maybe we can create much better things for it. So if you click on the generate to see what happened in the style mode, It will take some time, and after that you can test it out. What is the differences between rendering engine and the accurate, and what is it between the style transfer. So I think in the style transfer we can get better results because we add the reference for it, something like that. In here you can pick up the references, you can click on the show more, and you see what will happen. But when you click on the style transfer, the result is totally different, and I think it's more acceptable. But in here we have some changes, but totally it doesn't matter. The final result is much important, and I like style transfer more than other type of things. For example, this time I'm going to, in the scene description, I'm gonna remove all of it. I just want to type high quality render. And this time I'm going to select this one and click on the generate again. It takes a little bit of time, and I think this time the results will be much better. So we should wait, and the final result is here. Alright, I think the final result is much wonderful when you switch between the accurate to the style transfer, because in the style transfer you need to add everything completely automatically. You only need to select what is your style in here. And if I click on the enhance, I'm sure about that the final result can be much better than the other times. So I totally suggest the Smart Architect AI for you if you want to have a very fast and clear design or render, and I think it can be work very well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If this tutorial is useful for you, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your valuable watching, and this is the final result. See you and goodbye.